How to link a Facebook page to Messenger. So there's a lot of fake info on the internet, but this is how you do it. So first, you want to make sure that you have selected the page's profile. So click on the right hand side on your profile and then click on your page. So I just switched to my Facebook page. So once you have entered your page's profile, then again you want to click on your icon in the top right corner and then select the cogwheel next to the magnifying glass to the search. So once you have selected the cogwheel, you want to choose page settings, and from the page settings tab we want to select privacy, the first option, control who can view and message your page. So once we have selected this, then under messaging, allow people and pages to message your page, you want to make sure that this is turned on. So after you have turned this on, then people can now message you on Messenger. So hope this helps. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.